Let's talk about managing all of your pages and how navigation works. In your left nav, go to Website and then Pages. You'll see your pages organized into two areas. The first is Main Navigation, which are the pages that show up in your header, and Not Linked, for pages that exist but aren't in the navigation. Things like a thank you page or a privacy policy. In either section, click the plus button to add a new page. Squarespace gives you page types: blank page or pages with various sections already added. Let's add an FAQs page. You can drag pages up and down to reorder them in your navigation. You can remove them from your navigation by dragging it to the Not Linked section. And you can remove a page entirely by clicking the trash can icon that appears next to it. And you'll need to click Confirm to let Squarespace know you're absolutely certain. If you deleted a page but you didn't mean to, you can always click on Deleted Pages, and then hover over the page you want to restore and click the Restore button. I'm going to put this contact page back and move FAQ to Not Linked. Click the gear icon next to any page to open its settings. Here you can change the page title, customize the URL slug, or even add a navigation title. A navigation title lets you show a different name in the header than the actual page title, which is useful if your page title is long but you want to show something short in the nav. Here you also get quick access to your page SEO settings like SEO title and description, and social image for adding a social sharing image. If you have a lot of pages, you can organize them into drop-down menus in the navigation. Just click the plus icon, scroll all the way down the list, and click Dropdown. Then simply drag your pages into the new dropdown. Then when you hover over the dropdown in your header, those pages will show up underneath it.